Okay, this is the end of day 4, beginning of day 5. Didn't make a video for day 3, so I'll explain what happened. So basically day 3, I just slattered a bunch of core seal on anything that was exposed after taking all the brackets off. So that should be good for rust. I got underneath the exhaust bracket and then on the frame rail there. So that should be good. And then I just did a test fit of everything. And here you can see at the end of day 4, I've got the passenger side bracket installed. It suggests to keep everything loose, so you can see that it can move around a little bit. On the driver's side, had a little bit of a problem. I could not get the rear bracket holes to line up. Basically, the problem was that this piece here was a little bit too close to this piece, and everything looks pretty square, but just it was slightly off, so I couldn't get the bolts in there. So what I did was took a Dremel and expanded these bottom holes up. You can see there's a cutout there. So I'm gonna hit that with some spray paint and then install the driver's side bracket on. And then we can get to putting the actual bumper on, and then we'll unbox the tire carrier and see if we can get that on today too. If that all goes well, I've got the entire day to work on it. I'm gonna try and do the water pump too.